Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a close-up of General Grievous's face. Now, General Grievous was a really bad guy in the Star Wars franchise, and he's got just a really cool look to his kind of mask face, whatever you want to call it. So I thought it'd be fun to show you guys how to draw that up close. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go out like this. And then I'm going to leave a little bit of space, and I'm going to do the same thing, just kind of go out like that. Now, starting here, I'm going to kind of round this out, and I'm just going to go down, and then I'm just going to kind of curve this up like that. So it kind of looks like it's a triangle, but it's rounded on the corners. So same thing over here, just kind of go down, and then we're just going to kind of round it out on the corners. Now, right inside of here, he's got some pretty evil looking eyes. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to add a little curved line like this, and then another little curved line like this. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that kind of curves up and down. And then another one here that just kind of goes up and down. Then he almost has kind of like a snake pupil. So I'm just going to make a little slit like that, and then another one just go down and right up. And then we're just going to kind of color this in. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to kind of add an extra little line like this, and then another little one right there, just to kind of show that there's a little bit of detail there. Next, I'm going to start up here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve in, and then it's just going to go right around here, and then come in like this. Same thing over here, just kind of start above the eye, and then just kind of go out. You're going to go back in and then kind of curve down. Then I'm going to bring this up just a little bit, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and then come down. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to travel down like this, and then another one that's going to do the same thing over here. Now right here, I'm going to make a diagonal line here, and then another diagonal line right there. And then I'm going to make a line that goes straight down. Same thing here. And then I'm going to make a little diagonal line that goes up, and then another one that goes up right here. Then I'm just going to draw a line that goes down, and then another one that goes down. Now down here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and then down. And then right here, I'm going to make another one that just kind of goes a little bit more straight across. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a line that just kind of goes down, and then it's just going to go in. And then we're going to do the same thing over here, just kind of go down at an angle and then just kind of curve it in. Now, right here, kind of where his ears are, you want to make a line that goes out and then down. Then same thing, kind of go out and then down. And then I'm going to do that one more time. I'm going to go out. I'm going to go just right by the side of his eye. And then I'm just going to curve it in. Same thing here, just go out, right down by the side of his eye, and then just curve it in. Kind of like where his ears would be. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out and then come down here. And then same thing here, out and then down to there. Now he's got these great big kind of, wicked shapes on the side of his face. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go out. It's going to go over and then down just a little bit. And then same thing over here. You want to go out over and then down just a little bit. Then starting here, you want to make a line that's just going to go out and then it's going to kind of curve down. It's the same thing. We're going to kind of curve and then just go straight down. Then when you get to right about here, I'm going to curve it back in. Same thing here, just kind of curve it back in. Then I'm going to go over and I'm going to go right up towards his eye again. So just go over and then go right up towards his eye. Now we're going to start right back up here and I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve around and that's just going to meet right there. So same thing, just going to kind of curve around and then just meet right there. Now, starting over here, we just want to make a few little details on his body. So I'm going to start here and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down here. And then another one right here that's going to do the same thing. Then I'm going to add another one here. And then one more right to here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes over, up, and then it's going to kind of curve over. Same thing here, over, up, and then it's going to kind of curve over. And then I'm just going to add some little curved lines onto here. Then I'm going to add a little line here and then a little line right here. And then I'm just going to put a few little lines right over here. Then starting here, we're just going to draw a line that's going to curve down, and then another one right here that's just going to curve down. Now, we want to add a few details onto here just to make it look a little more realistic. So, starting up here, he's got these two stripes that go right above his eyes. So, I'm going to start here and just draw one that goes right up here towards his head. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. Then I'm going to go out and then I'm just going to go in and straight down. So you want to come to a point, go out, in, and then just go straight down. Now, he's got these four little lines on his mouth right here, kind of where he talks out of, kind of like a speaker. So they're just four really long, skinny ovals. So we just want to draw four of them right here. We just want to keep them nice and tall, keep them real thin so that you can get all four of them in here. And we're just going to put four of them right in here. And then in each one, I like to put like two dots or a line and then two more dots inside each one, just to kind of give it a little bit of that like speaker look. So two dots, a line, and then two more dots. So we got our basic shape. Now let's add a few more different details onto here. So right here by his eyes, I want to add like a little line above each one and then a little line below it. And then I'm going to add another little line above here. And then I'm going to add just kind of like a few wrinkly little lines in here, just right around his eye. He's almost got like a burned look to him. So I'm just going to add lots of little details inside right by his eyes. I'm going to make a little kind of broken line that just kind of travels right down to there, leaving a little bit of space just to kind of show that it's a little three-dimensional there. And then I'm just going to kind of do the same thing up here. I'm going to add kind of like another one here and then another little line there just for some details. And then kind of another little broken line on each side. I'm going to make a little kind of curved line right here. And then I'm just going to kind of trace the inside of this right by his ears. You can leave some spaces in your lines I'm just going to kind of retrace this just to give it a little bit of detail and some texture. So I'm just going to kind of trace right around here, close to the edge as you can. Add a couple little extra lines right around here. I'm going to add just a few kind of broken lines all over here just to show that he's got a little bit of wear and tear on here. A couple little extra lines right around his eyes. And then you can just kind of add some different little lines all over the place just for some detail. Right here I'm going to add just some quick little skinny lines just to make these kind of stand out a little bit more. You can add some extra little lines kind of right around these little things by his ears. I'm going to add just some quick little kind of skinny broken lines all over the place down here. And just kind of the same over here on this side. I'm going to add two little lines up here just to kind of make it look like he's got some different chords and everything. He's really kind of mechanical, really robotic, so I just want to add some different details. Add a couple little extra lines right around some of these just for some different details and everything. Put kind of a few more lines by his face and everything. And then I'm just going to kind of put a few right around here as well, just for some different details. Add a couple little extra designs in here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a close-up of General Grievous. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.